Hey, how's going on? Aziz here. So you are watching this video. This is because you want to know more about the GetResponse and Mailelite. So quickly, if I want to take an autoresponder today, the very first thing that I will do is to check the price. I want to see if I can afford that. Then I will probably look at the dashboard and the automations or the features, to see if it suits my my demand. What exactly I want to do with the autoresponder. And also the deliverability. So talking about deliverability. So deliverability is ability of your email to hit the inbox of your subscribers. So I put this link in the description, so you can check it out. You can quickly see that Mailelite has a 97, is on top in terms of email deliverability, and then you have GetResponse here with 81. But what it is very important to highlight is email deliverability depends on the type of content you are sending to your list, and also the subject line. If the subject line is catchy and it's not very spammy, and people are so all so this improve the email deliverability. So it's also important to highlight that GetResponse is more affiliate marketing friendly compared to Mailelite, because there is some content, spammy type of content that can easily go with GetResponse than Mailelite. So you can get your account closed by Mailelite if you send some spammy affiliate marketing type of content. But then don't get me wrong, any autoresponder company don't like people use their platform to send spammy type of content. But it's good to know. It's good to know that you need to be very careful on how you are using your email to send to reach your audience. So also in order to promote your affiliate links using any type of responder, is advisable to use a URL widget. So what I'm using here for mine is it's called Pretty Links. The link is also in the description, so it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm using my WordPress here, the educational WordPress. So all I need to do is to add new URL, and I create a shortened version here. So I just need to copy here, and then when it's something like that. So you see, so basically my affiliate link is heading under my my domain here. So, and this is very okay if with autoresponder provider. So it's very good to know those kind of stuff. Okay, so quickly let's see price wise. So price wise, okay, price wise, let's compare Apple to Apple here. So for 1,000 subscriber free account, Mailelite free account, this is what you have. You have 1,000 subscribers, and then you can send up to 12,000 monthly emails, and this is the feature that we have. So, and you have I mean automation. So automation is what you see is what you get. That's why I like automation. So you have more control on what you are doing. And of course, when you upgrade to the growing business plan, you have more feature added up to 3 users, the email support, but the advanced option has the live chat, which is excellent. So yes, so and then when we compare with, let's go first with the free trial, the free version of GetResponse. So you have 2,500 newsletter per month, but you have up to 500 contacts compared to Mailelite, which is 1,000. And also for 1 month you have the luxury to use the premium feature of GetResponse. So yeah, it's really amazing. So and then the next plan is 1558. So so we can see price wise, really Mailelite is cheaper. It's cheaper. It's cheaper compared to GetResponse, but it means you will have more tools. You'll have more tools. Yeah, at your more tools to use. So yeah, and let's quickly see the dashboard now. So the dashboard, let's see, this is my test account, my Mailelite test account. You see the dashboard. You can create a campaign here, forum, a website, and automation. You can also create your campaign from here. So all you need to do is to click on campaign and then create new campaign, and that's it. You put a title and next, and you create the campaign. So in case you have any question, please ask them in the comments below, so I will gladly go further. And you have your subscribers here. So you will see all your subscribers here, and each time they open and you will see the newsletter that you sent, and if the person has opened, you will see if he has clicked at a link, and also as soon as they open the email, you will see the location where he is from. So this is very important to know the location, because you can create a segment. So by the way, you can also create segment with GetResponse. You will see that later. All you need to do is get segment, right? And you can call the segment US, for example. For folks who are in US, you create a segment, and you can transfer all the folks that are from US. You will add them in the segments. Then you can send specific promotion to specific segments of your list, right? So groups here, that's what is different with the other email autoresponder provider, right? So basically groups means list, that's it. So with the other autoresponder like GetResponse, Aweber, so you have list, right? You have list and tags. So here, create a group means create a list. That's it. Create a list. right? So you can create a list, so you will have a bunch of lists, right? So unfortunately you cannot create tags. So also if you want to create tags, you have to create a group and name it like you know, tag something, you know. So just to differentiate your list, which is group, to your tags, right? So but you know, in GetResponse you have tags and you have lists. So this is it's a basic way that people um, know. So you have, you know, when you create emails, you don't have the option to add personalization, you know, so you have to copy the code to add it in your email if you want to send. Yeah, here you can clear all inactive people, you know, in your list that are not interacting with your email within a 6-month period. And then we have the automation is really a big part here. So you just need to name your automation and you know, and create or whatever you want. So one very important point is here is the integration. Yeah, you have your API key that you can integrate with any funnel builder, right? Any funnel builder of your choice. What about GetResponse? So GetResponse, let's see the dashboard. It's a dashboard here. So yeah, my computer is a little bit slow today. So this is how GetResponse dashboard looks like. Yeah, you will see you can you know, personalize this as you want. All right, and you have here your contact list. When you click here, you can see all your contacts, right? So then you can create your list here, or you need to create list. You see, so in Mailelite is creates group. So here it's create list, right? And yeah, and also tags. You can create tags. You can create tags with GetResponse. So and in Mailelite, tags and list are called groups, right? So here they're separated. So let's say GetResponse made things easy for us, you know. So I can assign any tags I want, you know, depending on where my subscribers are coming from. And also here, this is what we're talking about. If you know, I don't have any segment yet, but I will do that later, so I can create a segment. So also, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And tools here, you have you know, yeah, everything here, you know. You know, the newsletter, and with a lot of templates, landing pages, the form, you know, the e-com, if you upgrade automations, etc. You know, and the integration and API, that's where you want to go, and you know, to take and connect to your funnel builder. And the webhook is very interesting also. Yeah, and yeah, Mailelite also has that. quickly, let me see here. So this is an example of workflow in Mailelite. So whenever a subscriber joins a group, as you can see, group means list. So it means group. So group means list. I mean, so whenever a subscriber join a group, so automatic day 0 means same day that he subscribes. So the subscriber will receive this email, then we wait 1 day and then send an email, etc., etc. So from here, I can also add another trigger here that will any people who click here transfer to my another group, right? So this is something I can do also with it's something I can do, so which is friendly. So yeah, and as I have highlighted before, the only thing you have to be very careful about is the content. Because yeah, it's the content. If the content is very spammy and the links are those long affiliate marketing links, you have to use URL redirect in your emails. Yeah, so and this is an example of GetResponse automation. So it's more advanced than of course than Mailelite. But yes, so guys, this is all for today. I hope you have had a lot of value with this video. So to summarize, really, it depends on your budget, what you have to start your business, right? So and in any cases, you have to keep in mind best practice in sending email. Use some subject line that are not very spammy, to avoid your account to be shut down. So yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.